In this demo, we will show how Commvault orchestrates and automates the recovery of an Active Directory forest. Once you have backed up your AD domain controllers, we'll create a runbook that contains the detailed instructions to restore your AD infrastructure. Let's demonstrate a forest recovery runbook in action. The first step in creating a forest recovery runbook is determining which domain controllers to recover and how. The topology view shows your AD architecture visually and simplifies selection of which domain controllers to recover first in case of a disaster. You select how you want to recover each domain controller directly from the topology view. Runbooks are templates that describe exactly how your Active Directory infrastructure will be recovered. Once you select your domain controllers and the recovery method, a runbook is automatically generated with all the critical steps that need to occur during a forest recovery. This includes recovering domain controllers as well as other important post-recovery configuration steps. When executing a forest recovery runbook, either in disaster recovery testing or in production, you'll see the overall progress of the forest recovery, know every step that completed, and what comes next. You'll have total visibility into where you are in the process and how long until your AD is back online.